Hello, hello, and thank you so much for joining me here once again. As a child, I remember that the elder women in my family always made hot cross buns on Good Friday. But today I'm taking this a little different. I am making hot cross scones. So the butter that I'm grating was placed in the freezer a day ago, and I find that preparing my scones this way helps them to be a lot more flaky on completion. And of course, when grating anything, I'm always so overly cautious. And so what I'm doing here is just cutting up the last little piece of the butter that was left over while grating. Now it's time to mix it all in, being cognizant to not let my warm hands melt the butter. I used just enough milk to bring the dough together, making a dough that is not too sticky. And now I'm adding about, I would say, half a cup of currants. Or maybe more. And now it's time to roll out, cut, and bake. I try my best to never twist my biscuit cutters because sometimes if you twist while you are trying to cut, it prevents the biscuit or scones to rise. So it's best to just press down, and then you should be pretty safe with this method. And these now bake for about 15 to 18 minutes at 400 degrees. While the scones are cooling, I'm now preparing my plate for afternoon tea. I'm thinking also about Holy Week and how heartbroken I was as a child and how moved I was listening to the Passion read in church on Palm Sunday. In a recent conversation with a friend who holds my faith, I come to learn that my sadness during Holy Week was something that was quite common. To know and learn what Christ did for me, for you, is still so mind-boggling to me. His sacrifice is truly a remarkable and beautiful thing. His love for me is absolutely wonderful. And for him, I am so thankful. Mighty Father, give us the strength of humility. Open our eyes to see what you do and enlarge our hearts that we may desire to follow your Son in doing the same. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.